Okay, we're going to work on the 1-4-1-5 progression on the key of C on the piano. The left hand is going to be staying stationary in the C position, like this. It's going to go between C, and then these two fingers are going to move up from here to here, F, back to C, and then these fingers are going to drop down, like that, to get the G. C, F, C, G, F, C, sorry, F, C, G, C, F, C, G, C, F, C, G. If we use that in the song Lean on Me, it would sound like this. C, F, C, E minor, G, C. And C. C, F, C, E minor, G, C, F, C, G, C. I made a few mistakes in there, but basically C, F, C, G, C, F, C, G. All right.